Hello everyone, my name is Kan Kawabata, and today I'm going to just do some preliminary setups for the Pixhawk, which is autopilot controller. I've been playing with it for a little bit, but it basically just came out of the box like this. The cord came with the box, and I'm trying to get it installed onto, have it set up to work with Mission Planner, which is an autopilot simulation tool. So right now, I'm just going to go through the initial setup. So what I first going to do is connect the Pixhawks to my computer. And earlier I downloaded the device driver for Pixhawk. Basically, you just have to Google Pixhawk device driver, and you can download whatever software is required for the computer to talk to the Pixhawk. And once you have that done, basically you select whichever COM port that you're using, that the Pixhawk is using, and we install the firmware. So we're thinking of using this for a quadcopter. So we would click on the quadcopter and download the firmware like that. And I already done that earlier, so I won't do that now. But after that is done, you could then connect the Pixhawk to the Mission Planner. And what that does is now that allows us to simulate the Pixhawk's movement and then send that simulation to visualize with the Mission Planner. So part of the initial setup is doing mandatory hardware setups. So this includes calibrating all the sensors that's on the Pixhawk, such as the accelerometer and the gyroscope. Earlier, I was doing pretty cool simulation where we do a live calibration where I'm supposed to move this around in order to get the maximum data for the gyroscope. And once I get all the data, just a moment. Right now, it's asking me to hit all the white dots if possible. Kinda. There we go. And now it's calibrated for the compass. And you can also calibrate the accelerometers by, it asking me to place the vehicle on its left, place the vehicle on the right, place the nose down. You probably want to be more accurate than this, but for now it's just...
But how do you specify which one is your left or your right?
The Pixhawk has an arrow, and I believe this is the nose of the controller.
Okay.
And anyway, there's other calibrations you could do if you have the hardware for it. We could calibrate basically the controller, the remote controller, if you have it connected to the Pixhawk. So, imagine like a controller, and then if you move up and down and all around, it will then register what's the maximum minimum for your controller. And you could then use the controller for flight simulation later on. So that's currently what I have done so far. I'm trying to learn a little bit more next time to give a better update and more things to talk about. Thank you very much.